Hi everyone, welcome to Ladies Dance Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I've got for you a nice relaxing stretching routine. It's perfect after a long day at work where you want to just come home and relax. So if you're ready for this, lie down on the floor and we're going to release all the tension around your body. Let's do it. Here we go, let's stretch it out. We're gonna start right away onto our belly. I know a lot of you are usually standing a lot and kind of find a funky position in the back. So we're gonna just start on the belly. Engage your belly, relax your legs, but engage your bum. So from there, we're just gonna push up. Push up as much as you can. And you release down. Breathe in, breathe out, push up. And you release down. And again, push up, shoulders down, and you release down. One more. Nice and flowy. And you release down. From there, I want you to find a twist with your hips on the floor, nice and gentle. Find that twist, relax down. Place your hand down and find that nice twist. Something might click, so let go of your leg and see what happens. Stretch the upper body. Big breath in and out. Back to your belly, down, back to the center. Other side. Twist. Find that twist on the floor. Release the hand. Come all the way. Oh, feel that back. Ooh. Find the twist. And come back down and back to center. Again, one side. Feel the twist. Relax your head. Release the top hand. Find the complete twist. Come to say hello ceiling. This is how when you think, hello ceiling. Find a nice twist. And come back to belly, down, back to center. Other side, find the upper body twist. Relax down, twist it on one side, come to say hello ceiling, feel how much tension you've got. Around, breathe in. Breathe out and come back to center. We push up again and breathe out and release down. And again, push up, release that back and down. Open everything up and up. And down and up and down. Now feet together, grab one quad, stretch it, come up slightly with your back if you can, and keep those knees together and keep pushing the hips. Now squeeze the bum and push that hip onto the ground. Feel the quads stretch and release it down. Grab the other one. Knees together. Feet can be relaxed, bum engaged. And push your hips forward. Take your foot as close to the bum as possible. And release down. Left first leg again. Knees together, then let it go out. Keep it there and push towards you. Push your knees together, squeeze your bum and tilt slightly. Try to tilt your pelvis towards the floor. And down. Change our other one. And knees together. Keep breathing. Push your hips on the floor. And release down. Bring one knee to the side. Onto passe. We're gonna do the same twist to one side. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax this hip. Back to center. We keep the knee there and we twist the other way. This one is a bit more intense. There's always going to be one side that is wonkier than the other, so do an extra set onto the wonkier one. Let's try. Let's see. Back to center, leg down, leg up. Go towards your leg and find the twist. Back to center, twist the opposite way. And twist. Breathe in and breathe out. And back to center. Come up. Sit tall. From here, we're gonna release up and relax onto our legs. We stay there and breathe. One, come up. One leg to passe. And stretch down. Keep on breathing. Flex this foot. Grab your foot and pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. Pull your toes towards you. And down more. Come up. Change other way. One foot up, one foot down. And relax onto it. Stay there. Grab your foot. Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. And release down. First side again. One leg up, one leg down. And relax down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Grab your foot. Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. Engage the quads. Engage your abs as well, slightly down. There is always something engaged. And relax down. Come back up. Hair out of the way. Change. Lift up. Lift down. I like lift down because you've got to lift before you go down. Stay there. Grab your foot and pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. Pull it towards you. Relax. But engage your quad. And relax down. Both feet up again. And down, down, down. Grab both feet. From there, pull your feet towards you and arch your back. Look up into the ceiling. And when you release down, you point your feet and you go down. And again, flex your feet. Stick your bum out, look up into the ceiling. And you release down, down, down. One more time. Lift up. Stretch your knees, engage your quads. And relax down. Come onto the center. Back in. We're gonna go stretching to one side. And back to the center. stretch into the other. Back to the center, slightly wider, and again, back in. And back to the center, and side. Back to the center, again, slightly wider. We're gonna try to get in a nice, comfortable split. And back in, and out. Careful of that knee, careful of the alignment. Let the hip roll. And back in, slightly wider again, and in. Feel that. Back to center, and other way. Back to center. Legs out, flex your feet. Go to one side, relax down. Pass into the center. Pass on to the other side. Roll up. First it the same side. Pass into the center. Pass into the other leg and roll up. And again, first side. Pass into the center. To the side. Roll up and down. Pass into the center. To the side. Roll up. Shake your legs, bring them in. Sit tall. Well done. Well done, guys. I really hope you feel nice and stretched and well regenerated after all these stretches. If this is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe and to give me a thumb up if you liked the video. Also, don't forget to go and check out Lazy Dancer Studio for more exclusive workouts. They're all there, waiting for you. Mwah. See you next time.